How to enable biometrics in Bitget Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to turn on biometrics on Bitget so that you don't have to log in with your password every time you sign in, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Bitget Wallet app on your device and log into your account. Once you're signed into your wallet, go ahead and click on the profile icon or your avatar at the top left corner from the home screen. From the expanded menu, tap on the gear button at the top right, and this will open up settings. From the settings menu, select security. Inside security, toggle on the button right next to biometric payment. Enter the passcode you want to set for your wallet, and then click on the allow button in the pop-up. This can be your Face ID or your Touch ID. After you tap on allow, this will scan your Face ID or your fingerprint. Right after you do that, you'll be able to enable biometrics payment. Now, if you want to verify with biometrics every time the app is launched, toggle on the button right next to unlock required at the top. And right after you do that, whenever you open up your Bitget Wallet app, you'll be required to sign in with Face ID or your Touch ID. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.